Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm going to show you how to share links on the WhatsApp status. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to share a link on the WhatsApp status, you can have to follow some steps. Open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Now tap the status tab in the bottom left corner. Now tap the pencil icon on the right to create a new text status. Type a message or the description of what the link is about. Tap the color plate icon at the bottom of the screen. Using the smiley face icon, you can add an emoji to your link. You can see. And after placing the link and making the desired changes, your story will be published on the WhatsApp after you press the green tick on the bottom right. Keep in mind that you can only add links to text status updates and not to the regular status updates. Also, it's important to note that WhatsApp does not notify the sender if the recipient takes a screenshot of the status, so there is no guarantee that they won't be able to save a copy. Hope you guys like my video and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.